Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am going to show you how to take photo shoot at home, like click your best pictures, good pictures, or click your pictures with family at home with a good background and really be as creative as possible. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so first step is to change your clothes, get your best hairstyle, your good makeup, and just get ready as you are going outside. So I'll be back within 2 minutes. Okay guys, so I am ready. This is what simple ready. Other things are done in editing. Okay, so my first pose will be with this yellow headphones and will be on my jhula, that is on my swing. So we'll just go and create the look like it looks best in pictures. So let's go. Okay, so I just tilted the camera. I'll do proper posing. Get my headphones, which has no phone connected over it. Yeah. I'll keep slant for now, at least for video, because I don't have someone else to shoot for me. I don't have another camera. So I'll just mix both the clips and do. So this is how I'm going to click. No, why this angle is really more nice. Yeah, I want to show my watch as well. Okay guys, so I've clicked many pictures keeping this angle of camera, and I'll edit those pictures. As you guys know, if you have seen my previous videos, then you guys must be knowing I edit my pictures in PicsArt, in Lightroom, Photoshop Lightroom, or else Beauty Plus. So all three are my favorite. You can use B612 as well, like I have seen people using that, but I am comfortable with Beauty Plus more and Photoshop Lightroom more. Okay, now we'll go to the next picture, which is with a teddy bear. If you don't have a teddy bear, you can use your cup as well. Okay, so I'll show you both, with teddy bear as well and with a cup as well. So let's go to the next. Okay, so you need to change the angle of camera. You can change the outfit as well, and you can change the background also of your home. Like you must be having 4 different places, 4 different backgrounds, so you can have that. Yes, you can adjust it, and I'll be clicking picture with this teddy. Yeah, say hello teddy, hello. Okay, we'll start. Okay, I have changed my clothes again. I have worn another top. So this location is fine. I love this location because it looks like white, but it is greenish type wall, like literally very light green, but it really looks like white. So I'm okay. You must have seen most of my pictures with this background, and other pictures are with white cloth on my bed and white cloth over here. So I click that way, but today I'll show simple tricks. So if you don't have anything such, we'll change the background. Yeah, you can sit on sofa over here like this. So guys, next thing you can do is, yes, first thing, you don't need a camera for that. Second thing, you can take in phone as well. You can tell someone, or you can just pile up your books and keep your phone about that with a timer. Every phone has a timer nowadays. Okay, so guys, so this is my yellow mug. I'll be taking this. I'll adjust my camera. I'll be having my good posture, body posture. Set my hair, cover my mouth and show my eyes and click a picture. Okay guys, so I have clicked this picture. Now the next picture, it's really amazing, something my favorite, because I don't have that big mirror in which I can click mirror selfie. So today I'll show you how to click mirror selfie without a mirror. So first thing I'll do is adjust my tripod. Okay, now I'll just make it more below. So yes, no, still my floor isn't seen. So I'll just make it more far, and this way the angle, I'll change the angle. Yes, now I'll change my clothes and come back. Yo. Okay guys, so I have even changed my clothes. Now the point is that I'll just tilt my camera and click picture sitting like this with my legs like people sit on mirror selfie, and I'll put my phone over here and just pose like this. So it may look that it's a mirror selfie, but it is not a mirror selfie. So this is a great hack for people who don't have mirrors, like big mirrors. So I'll just click the picture. Okay guys, so next thing you can do is take help of Pinterest to see different poses for girls, for women, and you will get several poses at home. So you can use that. I personally use Pinterest, and you can follow me on Pinterest and you will get a lot of poses. I'll see, this is my fun with Dhruvi. See, this is fun with Dhruvi, my Pinterest page. You can follow me there. You'll get photography poses and a lot of you'll get inspired pin boards. You can go and follow me there. I'll put the link in the description box. And now you can go for a standing pose as well. I just loved this outfit, so I'll have one standing pose with this outfit. So let's see what I can do. So guys, I'll be using this background. This is the door of my hall from kitchen and the passage. So I'll be using this, and since I said I love this outfit, I'll click this whole photo in portrait and not in landscape. So hope for the best. And the different poses I have got from Pinterest, you can use these poses as well, the ones which I have used, and I'll show the pictures which I have clicked after editing. And the edited ones, it looks great after editing. And don't worry, you can click amazing pictures at home as well. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media for more pictures. Yes, bye bye.